Were you supposed to meet Narendra Modi now? I would have asked you to at least lift the siege. I mean, it's a huge humanitarian crisis taking place.
Okay, so we're going to be talking about that in a
We'll
little
discuss
while.
that.
Mr. President, what expectations from American President about the Kashmir issue?
My expectations, President Trump heads the most powerful country in the world. And the most powerful country in the world has a responsibility. And you know this. You very kindly wanted to mediate in this, and you also said that both of us, India and Pakistan, has to agree to mediation. But unfortunately, India is refusing to talk to us. So in this situation, I feel that this is the beginning of a crisis. I honestly feel that this crisis is going to get much bigger, what is happening in Kashmir. So we would like to talk about that later. But just the fact that the position of the United States, it's the most powerful country. It can affect the United Nations Security Council. It has a voice. So we look to the US to put out flames in the world.